Hey, Dave from LDX Training, and I want to give you a quick overview of our LearnDash CSS design course. This course will be great for both beginners and intermediate users of CSS. If you don't know anything about CSS, you'll still be able to use this course to learn about CSS if you'd like to. And even if you don't, you'll still get a lot of code samples that you can copy and paste directly into your WordPress site that'll customize a lot of different LearnDash elements for you. So whether you're a beginner or an intermediate user looking to learn a little bit more additional CSS, this course is for you. If you consider yourself an advanced CSS user, you know how to write a lot of custom CSS, you know how to customize a child theme, you probably won't learn anything new in this course. But beginner and intermediate users will get a lot out of this course. We start off the course by showing you how to use your browser developer tools. This will help you identify different LearnDash elements that you want to customize and help you with the CSS that you'll need in order to customize those elements and change the design. We'll also then show you where to add this custom CSS in your WordPress admin area in order to publish it and actually make those updates to your site. As we go through a lot of different examples of LearnDash elements that you can customize, you will learn some of the basic principles of CSS in terms of changing text colors, borders, padding, adding shadows, all kinds of things like that. We also do touch on a few more advanced CSS techniques. We'll briefly cover how to use these techniques and what they mean, but if you don't really want to learn that kind of stuff and you really just want to apply the code, again, we provide code samples for lots and lots of different things, and you can simply copy and paste the code. Currently, we have 20 total lessons, and every single lesson does include code samples and CSS snippets that you can copy and paste. There are a few videos, and we really hope to add more videos in the future. We're also really looking for your feedback for things that you want to customize on your LearnDash site. So please let us know if you decide to take the course. Please give us that feedback, and we'll add new lessons to customize even more things that you want to do with your LearnDash site. As we add additional things, we probably will be increasing the price as we add more value and more lessons and more sample code. So if you get in now, you get lifetime access for the initial price, and you'll be locked in at that rate, and you'll get access to all of the new lessons that we might release in the future. So if you want to take your LearnDash site to the next level and learn a little bit of CSS in the process, consider signing up today.